Debt is often seen as a negative thing, but did you know that the wealthy often use it to their advantage? In fact, many of the world's richest people have made their fortunes by using debt strategically. In this video, we will explore the ways in which the rich make money with debt. From real estate investing and stock market speculation to private equity and art collecting, we will delve into the various strategies that wealthy individuals use to leverage debt and grow their wealth. We will also discuss the risks and rewards of using debt to make money and offer insights for those looking to follow in the footsteps of the rich. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit notifications for updates on the latest financial education videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Real estate investing. By taking out mortgages or other forms of financing, investors can acquire properties that generate rental income and appreciate in value over time. Real estate investments can provide a stable source of income and offer significant tax benefits. However, investing in real estate can also be risky, and investors must carefully consider factors such as location, market trends, and property management. Overall, real estate investing can be a lucrative strategy for those with the knowledge and resources to navigate the market. Number 2. Stock market investing. By borrowing money to invest in stocks or using margin to trade on margin, investors can amplify their potential, but also comes with increased risks. The stock market offers a wide range of investment opportunities, from blue-chip companies to emerging startups. Successful investors use a combination of fundamental analysis and technical analysis to identify stocks with strong growth potential. However, investing in the stock market also involves risk, as market fluctuations and unexpected events can lead to significant losses. Overall, stock market investing can be a lucrative strategy for those with the knowledge and resources to navigate the market. Number 3. Business expansion. By taking out loans to purchase new equipment and skills or hiring additional employees, entrepreneurs can grow their businesses and increase revenue. Expanding a business can also help to diversify revenue streams and mitigate risk. However, taking on too much debt to finance expansion can also be risky, as it can lead to financial instability if the business does not generate enough revenue to cover the debt payments. Successful business expansion requires careful planning and execution, including identifying the most profitable areas to invest in, managing cash flow, and staying up to date with market trends. Overall, business expansion can be a lucrative strategy for those with the knowledge and resources to grow their businesses strategically. Number 4. Private equity investing. Private equity investing is another way that the wealthy use debt to make money. Private equity investments involve purchasing stakes in private companies, which can potentially offer high returns when the companies are sold or go public. Private equity investors use debt to finance these investments, which can help to amplify potential gains. However, private equity investments are also high risk, as they often involve investing in companies that are in their early stages and may not have a proven track record of success. Successful private equity investing requires careful research and due diligence, including analyzing market trends and identifying promising startups with strong growth potential. Overall, private equity investing can be a lucrative strategy for those with the knowledge and resources to navigate the market. Number 5. Credit card rewards. Credit card rewards are another way that the wealthy use debt to make money. By using credit cards for everyday purchases and paying off the balance each month, individuals can earn significant rewards and cash back without paying any interest. Credit card rewards programs often offer points or cash back for every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or other perks. Successful credit card reward strategies require careful planning and management, including selecting the best rewards programs and maximizing rewards by using credit cards strategically. However, it's important to note that using credit cards irresponsibly can lead to high-interest debt and financial instability. Overall, credit card rewards can be a lucrative strategy for those with the discipline to use credit cards responsibly. Number 6. Tax advantages. By strategically using debt to finance investments, businesses, or real estate, individuals can take advantage of various tax deductions and credits. For example, mortgage interest on a primary residence and investment property can be deducted from taxable income, reducing the overall tax burden. Business owners can also deduct expenses related to debt financing, such as interest payments on business loans. Similarly, investors can take advantage of tax credits for investing in certain industries or activities, such as renewable energy. Successful tax planning requires careful analysis and understanding of tax laws and regulations, as well as proper record-keeping and reporting. Overall, tax advantages can be a valuable strategy for those looking to minimize their tax liability and maximize their wealth. Number 7. Art collecting. Art collecting can also provide a source of enjoyment and prestige for collectors. However, investing in art can be risky, as the value of art can fluctuate significantly based on market trends and the reputation of individual artists. Successful art collectors use a combination of expertise, research, and networking to identify promising pieces and negotiate favorable deals. It's also important to consider factors such as storage, insurance, and maintenance when investing in art. Overall, art collecting can be a lucrative strategy for those with the knowledge and resources to navigate the market. Number 8. Personal loans. Personal loans are another way that the wealthy use debt to make money. By borrowing money at a low interest rate and investing it in higher-yielding opportunities, such as stocks or real estate, individuals can potentially earn a significant return on investment. However, personal loans can also be risky if the investments do not generate enough returns to cover the loan payments. Successful personal loan strategies require careful analysis and management, including identifying the best loan options, assessing the risk of investments, and managing cash flow to ensure timely loan payments. It's also important to have a solid plan in place for repaying the loan in full to avoid long-term debt. Overall, personal loans can be a useful tool for those with a solid understanding of the risks and rewards involved. Thank you for tuning in to the Money Motive channel. We hope you enjoyed this video on ways the wealthy use debt to make money. If you found the information useful and engaging, we encourage you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance, investing, and wealth creation. Your support helps us continue to create high-quality content that educates and empowers our viewers. Don't forget to also leave your comments and feedback below. We appreciate your input and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.